वेलकम टू माय चैनल सॉलिडवर्क डिज़ाइन लैब। आज हम CSWP सर्टिफाइड सॉलिडवर्क्स प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। इसमें हम सेगमेंट 3 असेंबलीज की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। इसमें हमारे पास है क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, जो कि बेस पार्ट। हमको ये बेस पार्ट सॉलिडवर्क्स में डिज़ाइन करना है और जो क्वेश्चन दिया गया है उसका आंसर फाइंड करना है। तो हमको ये डाटा गिवन है इन क्वेश्चन में। जो यूनिट सिस्टम होनी चाहिए वो MMGS मिलीमीटर ग्राम सेकेंड्स में। डेसिमल्स टू मटेरियल होना चाहिए alloy स्टील्स एंड डेंसिटी 7,700 किलोग्राम मीटर क्यूब। पार्ट होना चाहिए आर्बिट्री एयर। इस पार्ट को हमको सॉलिडवर्क्स में बनाना है और फिर हमको व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ द पार्ट इन ग्राम्स, इसकी मास ऑफ द पार्ट्स हमको फाइंड करना है। तो इसकी डायमेंशन वगैरह सब हमको नीचे डिज़ाइंस में दी गई है। तो इसकी डिज़ाइन डायमेंशन ये है। पहले हम इसको सॉलिडवर्क्स में क्रिएट करते हैं एंड देन इसके आंसर फाइंड करते हैं व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ द पार्ट। लेट्स स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले हम पार्ट्स ओपन करेंगे। देन व्हाट इज द डायमेंशन, द outer circle. First we create this outer circle, like the outer circle diameter is 55 and the inner diameter of this circle is 30 and the inside hole is 12 mm. Let's create it. Firstly we take a top plane, then choose a circle, draw a circle, go to dimension. The dimension is outer circle is 55. Enter. Firstly we, and the thickness and the height of the circle is 20. Here is 20 mm. Now go to feature extrude boss and choose a plane. Go to 20 mm. Okay. Now create these top parts, circle parts. The outer diameter is, this circle is 30 mm, 30, and the inner hole is 12 mm. Firstly we create this 30 mm circle and the height of the circle is total is 30 and we create only 20 mm. तो अब हमको 10 mm की और हाइट देनी है इसको। Firstly select this plane, circle, draw the circle, choose the smart dimension 30 mm. बट हमने इसमें एंगल्स भी दे रखा है जो कि 110 डिग्री है। तो हमको ये 110 डिग्री एंगल्स के साथ ये पार्ट्स को क्रिएट करना है। ओके, और इसकी हाइट है 10 mm. ओके, गो टू फीचर, चूज एक्सट्रूड बॉस. The height of the circle is 10 mm. Okay, also draft is 20. Okay, now we see the angle. Firstly create this, choose front plane and create this lines to show the angles 110 degree. Okay, escape, escape, and undo. We don't need these lines, we just show the dimension. Now create this small hole. Small hole diameter is 12 mm. Okay, choose this plane, go to sketch, choose circle, go to smart dimension. The diameter is 12 mm. Okay, go to feature, extrude cut. and throw all. Okay, now we create this part. अभी हमको ये स्क्वायर बनाना है जिसकी width and length 6 mm and 6 mm. From the center line to this line is 18.5 mm, and this center line to this is 3 mm. Okay, choose this plane, sketch, choose a rectangular. Okay, go to smart dimension, 6 mm, 6 mm. From this line to this line, length is 18.5 mm. I think 18.5. Yeah, 18.5 mm. Okay, now select select this point and also the midpoint, and make horizontal. Okay, now create this part, extrude boss, and the height of this part is total is 28. We create only 20, so it means 8 remains. It is the height of this box. So 8 mm. The total height is from this line to here is 28. Okay, now we create these parts. From the center line to this is 87 and 15, and the angle is 20. This and okay, we create. Firstly, choose the front plane. Now choose a line. Okay, click here, here, right click and select. Go to smart dimension. Firstly, we angle. Give an angle is 20 degree. Okay. Length of this line is 15 mm. Okay. From this point to this here, dimension is 87.04. 87.04. Enter. Okay. Here the sketch is fully defined. Now close this sketch. But we close the sketch in some of inside, and give him dimension also 2 mm. Okay. Go to feature, extrude boss, and the thickness of this mm, sketch is 10 mm. Total is 10 mm. It means we choose a mid plane, and total is 10 mm. You see, हमने ये 2 mm इसीलिए दी थी कि क्योंकि ये अंदर तक इसके कनेक्ट हो जाए, उसको मर्ज रिजल्ट कर देंगे हम. ओके, मिड प्लेन 10 mm डायमेंशन, click OK. Okay, now you see the whole part is fully joined. Now we create these 3 remains parts. Go to circular pattern, choose the part. We choose this boss extrude 4 and direction. Okay, choose 4 and 360 degree. Okay, now we create this part. Okay, now question The material is alloy steel. Okay. Go to material, right click, edit material. In steel, alloy steel. Here is alloy steel. Here, click alloy steel, yield strength, alloy steel. Okay. The mass density is 7,700 kilogram meter per cube. Okay, apply. You see the alloy steel apply in the and then close. Okay. And also add some color. Okay. Right click and okay. Now the question is, what is the mass of the part in grams? Mass properties. We create and also apply the materials of this part, and the mass of the properties of this part is, go to evaluate. If you didn't find the evaluate, right click, go to tabs and select the evaluate. Like I selected the evaluate. If I didn't select, then I didn't see the evaluate. Right click, go to tabs and select the evaluate. See in the evaluate. Go to mass properties. Click the mass properties. The mass property is in the grams is 565.87 gram. It means the answer is 565.87 grams of this part, the mass properties, and the volume is 73489.92 cubes in milliliter, and density is 0.01 gram per grams. It means grams. Like center of mass in x direction minus 0.08, in y 9.7, and in z 0. Z is 0. Okay, but our question is asked mass property, so it means our answer is 565.87 grams. Okay, thank you friends to see my videos, and also like and subscribe to my channels. Thank you.